Welcome to Circuit Care. Today we have Dell Latitude 3330, and the problem with this one, connect charger, pay attention, plugging in charger, the light goes off. So in this case, we say we have a short circuit. We have a short circuit component inside the, be it maybe your MOSFET, capacitor, or IC, but we are not sure. So let's open it. Sort them out small, small. All right, so here is the shorted capacitor. See, so found it. So without wasting time, we have to break this out. Okay, you have to break it out. All right, so I don't need to test this component. Physically, you can say it's bond. You understand? It's bond. So let's prove. So coming with my multimeter, please pay attention. Look on the screen. Okay. So on this board, it's completely shorted. So let's pull it out. I will have to measure the board again. So, all right. So let's measure the board again. As you can see, everything is fine. Placing the bond capacitor in front of my meter. Okay, sir. All right. Okay, sir. So as you can see, the capacitor is shorted. You see, capacitor is bond. All right. So I have to put back this board in place. Let's test it together again. Okay. Okay. So connecting the DC jack. Okay. And the connecting the screen, the flex screen connector. All right. Okay. So everything is in place. So let's come again with charger. Okay. So pay attention to that light. All right, sir. Remember before now when we connect the charger, it automatically shut down. So right now, all right, as you can see, the motherboard is on. Okay, all right. So let's wait to see if we have picture on the screen. All right, so we have picture. All right, so we have picture. So everything is fine.